Does the speed feel too slow or comfortable?
I think right now it's comfortable.
Good.
Weird,
Can
but
you
it's
keep taking longer strides?
okay. Oh,
There you
that's
go.
better. Yeah.
Big difference.
That is like 100 years old.
Now bring your body a little closer to the front. Go ahead and grab on. I'm gonna stop it. Grab this. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to the next level. I've got the speed set to the same speed.
Okay.
I'm going to hit start. You can just hold on.
Okay.
I want you to feel what the tripping feels like
Oh, all right.
while you're
While
holding
I'm
on.
holding on. Okay.
So I'm gonna count down 3, 2, 1, and then I'll make it trip you.
Okay.
But grab a little better grip.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's what it feels like.
Not too bad.
Yeah. So we'll do it again. 3, 2, 1. So now I'm gonna ask you to let go,
Both of them.
both hands. Just walk for a little bit. I won't trip you without telling you.
All right.
That's all right.
This hip is a little bit achy.
Yeah. From walking or?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's weird.
So I'm gonna give it a little trip. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Wow.
Keep going just like that. I'll count down every time.
I get so aggravated when I get off balance.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And that's the whole intent. The whole goal is, like right now I'm telling you when I'm gonna do it. In the future we'll set it up so you won't even know when it's gonna happen. But what you'll find is the first time it tries to trip you, you have a hard time regaining. The second time is easier, the third time is easier, and then with enough repetition, this will be a piece of cake. And then when you're walking out in the community, even when you stumble, your body is used to that kind of stumble. That's the goal. We'll do it one more time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Perfect. Go ahead and grab on. I'm gonna stop it.